Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rename Bixby on Samsung S25. First of all, let's open settings on our smartphone and then navigate to advanced features. Open this menu, select Bixby and sign into your Samsung account if prompted. After that, let's navigate to Labs, and in Labs menu, you're gonna have to switch the toggle to the right next to create wake up phrase. Then tap the plus icon next to create wake up phrase and wait until the package is downloaded. Once it is, you're gonna have to tap start and then repeat your new wake up phrase 5 times so that your smartphone can recognize it clearly. Now, the phrase has to be between 2 and 4 syllables, and it cannot be anything like Google, Alexa, or Siri, so avoid using this one once. And a pro tip: keep your smartphone close to your mouth so that it recognizes what you're saying better. Now let's tap start. Barry Dillon. Continue. Barry Dillon. Barry Dillon. Barry Dillon. Barry Dillon. Okay, didn't quite catch that. Barry Dillon. Barry Dillon. Barry Dillon. Barry Dillon. Okay. And now we're done. So let's tap done. And now if I say Barry Dillon, it will actually start listening. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.